Every day I listen to thousands of people around the world, talking about their most trivial and deepest feelings, of their fears and dreams. Every day I see smiles and tears, encounters and disagreements. Every day I come into contact with accelerated and leisurely steps, with children and the elderly. Every day I sense the taste of a kiss or an ice cream, of what is sweet or is bitter. Every day I imagine the fresh smell of the morning or of a storm, of a perfume, or of effort. But what I cannot do is feel human emotions, even if I share them every day.